Hello everybody. I'm going to get a fire going here in the wood burner. Supposed to get down to 10 below zero by tomorrow morning, so I'll get it fired up, get some hot coals in there, take some of the chill out. So far we haven't had quite the SnowMageddon that was predicted earlier in the week. Forecasters must have got together last weekend and saw that there was a potential weather front going to move through the area, so they blew it completely out of proportion again, I guess, so everybody could go out and buy milk and bread. I don't know, but we didn't get anywhere near the 38 inches of snow that was predicted. So far we've got maybe 3. It is still snowing a little bit, lightly, but I'm going to head out soon. I need to run up to the carryout and get some Pepsi. See what it looks like out then. It's been snowing since, I don't know, 8 o'clock this morning, but nothing real heavy yet. Normally when I drive around I'll have music playing, but in other videos, if there's any kind of music at all, YouTube flags it as copyright infringement, which is really no big deal. You can just take the music off, but it's kind of a pain that you can't even play music or record music that's playing on your radio without getting a copyright infringement. I don't know how people get by listening to their radio over the air if someone else were to hear it, that it's a copyright infringement, but whatever. I'm going to pull up to the stop sign here and spin around and come back the other way. The only way you can get the truck to spin is to take it out of four-wheel drive and turn off traction control. With both of them enabled, it really won't let you play around any in the snow. And there to the right, the black car, the Oldsmobile, still sitting at Tracy's house. And off to the right, there's the old blue van sitting at Russell's house. Alright, I'm going to pull in here and get some Pepsi.